Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how camera pro mode looks on the OPPO Find X3 Neo. So take a look, we have to go for the more modes and click on the pro mode, where we can find this information icon. I can recommend you to click on it and just read all of these parameters. Just read the functions of these parameters. And let me show you how we can adjust them. First, we can adjust ISO level manually and automatically by tapping on this A button. The same with the shutter speed. Next, we can find exposure compensation. Right here we can find focus range. In this place we can find the white balance. Right here we can turn on the histogram. We are also able to switch the camera aspect ratio. We can turn on the shutter delay and also turn on the flashlight. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.